Hi guys, I'm Kashifton. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a cool airplane that I've been practicing for years. So you need paper vertical. So you fold it to have to make go like this. Try to make it as perfect as you can. Then you're going to open it up. You're going to make a half triangle in the middle of the paper and on the other side too. Mine is not always perfect, like this. And then you are going to make kind of like a wing shape. You're gonna like watch me do it. So if you go like this, then you will fold it like that. I know this doesn't make any sense. So this is what it should end up like. And then you're going to fold it back together like this. You're going to make its wing. Like this. And then the other side, we're going to make its other wing. And this is what it should turn out as. So let's go over here and see if it works good. You see over there? Ready? Go! My bad. Guys, look at where it was. Now it's right here. So I'll show you where I started. I started from this couch all the way over there. Isn't that good? This is a house. It kind of doesn't have that much room. So goodbye. That has been the video. Hope you enjoyed the airplane. Bye.